Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this 91 piece toolkit, 91 tin from Bosch. So it is a combination of drill bits, screwdriver bits, and screwdriver holder as well, and a magnet. So I'll show you the back of this one. So here are the tools included. Now if you can read this. Okay. Anyway, let's open the box now. So it comes, it's still sealed with the cable tie here. Just cut the cable tie. Now it comes with the very sturdy box or case. So probably I just need to do it like this so you can see. Now I can open. Okay. So on this side you have like a screwdriver bits, so Torx from T10, T15, T20, T25, and H5. Then drill bits. This one is for metal, and this one is for wood. Then this is a like a countersunk. Then screwdriver bits. So flathead, then square, like a Allen H6 and H5. So and then there's a adapter. Then nut drivers. So 7, 8, 10, 12, 6, and 13, and some more drill bits. This is for masonry. Then screwdriver bits, so short and long. Then another nut driver. Then some more bits, screwdriver bits here, and here is the, and some more Torx or star. Then I can take this one out, a bit tight. Yeah, so this is a ratcheting. So let's try one, probably this one. Yeah, then very cool. Then you can put the other way. Then if you don't want a ratcheting one, so just set it to the middle one, then it's holding it there. Okay, then to take it out, just pull. Just put this back. Then there's also a magnet. Just put this one here. Yeah. So telescoping. Yeah. About half meter or more, about 0.8 something. Okay, so try this one. So it's a magnet. So it's really cool toolkit to have. Let's close this one, put this back. Then put this back here. Still tight. Okay, so that's it. So this Bosch 91 piece toolkit. So tin is what do you call this? Showing tin. So it's a titanium nitride coating. So that ensures that it is more reliable. You can research more about that tin or titanium nitride on the net. Okay, so that's it. Let's close this one. And thank you for watching.